Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Eric Luvano, aka the ATM King. So if you're new to my channel, or if you just came across my video and you don't know who I am, my name is Eric Luvano. I've been an independent ATM operator for the past 7 years and actually been teaching people this business for the past 4 years. Over the past 4 years of teaching people this, I've had over 1,000 people successfully place ATMs and start creating passive income with their ATM business. My personal ATM portfolio has generated well over $1 million in surcharge fees. And so with that being said, this business, I can say hands down, has completely changed my life. And still to this day, my ATMs are paying me from 7 years ago. So with that being said, if you're looking into the business for the first time, maybe you're in the business, you're looking to scale, maybe you're looking to exit the business, whatever that might be, right? Or maybe you're just here to get your questions answered. You're probably watching this video because on my caption, it said why I'm exiting the ATM business. But I'm not actually exiting the ATM business. In fact, I'm doubling down on the ATM business. Why am I doubling down? Well, I get this question asked all the time. Eric, what's gonna happen with ATMs? Now, what a lot of people don't realize is that ATMs are a computer. And just like any other computer, right? When they're outdated, all you have to do is update software and they can do whatever you like. That's exactly what an ATM machine is. Not to mention right now, 40% of the US is underbanked. So people need cash every single day. And secondly, there's ATMs that are coming out in the future that are gonna be doing a lot more than just dispensing cash. For example, UTMs, universal ATMs, are gonna be able to pay utility bills, cash paychecks, dispense cash, just like anything. Bitcoin transactions, there's already Bitcoin machines that are out there doing transactions. So there's a lot of things that our ATMs are gonna be able to do in the future. What you wanna do is get into the business now, learn the business. And as you start placing ATMs in these locations, when these new ATMs are gonna come out, all you really have to do is replace your ATM machine. But you still have the location is what matters. Location, location, location is everything in this business. If you're looking on getting started in the ATM business, if you're just looking for more information, looking to get questions answered, I actually started an ATM community, a free ATM community where you can get your Q&As answered every single week on our live weekly Q&A calls. We're gonna be having veteran ATM operators in this group as well. We're gonna have people that actually join the program and actually work with us one-on-one. We're gonna have their results basically being there as well. So you'll see real people, real results. You'll see how many people are actually winning with the ATM business, and you'll see the demand. Not to mention right now in my business, my transactions have actually gone up. And one of the big reasons why my transactions have gone up is because a lot of merchants, a lot of business owners are paying high processing fees to accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express. And with an ATM solution, they're actually giving discounts to their customers and paying in cash. So having that ATM there, I'm seeing all my transactions go up at smoke shops, retail locations. And so with that being said, if you ever wanted to get involved in the ATM business, right now is one of the best opportunities to get involved and learn this business because there's gonna be a lot of growth coming in the next couple of years in this business. In fact, I'm actually purchasing ATM routes. So if you're out there and you wanna exit the business, I will happily look at your portfolio, make you an offer and actually buy your route. So that's what I'm actually saying. I'm doubling down on the ATM industry. If you're looking to join the community, it's absolutely 100% free. Get involved, get around people, like-minded individuals are gonna help you grow and build passive income with ATM. So with that being said, hopefully I give you enough information to basically show you that this ATM business is real, it's working. Like I said, I've been able to travel the world, become a millionaire with this business, purchase a home, and just basically more importantly, have the time freedom and the financial freedom to actually do what I wanna do when I wanna do it. And because of this business also, I'm actually able to make other investments into other industries. For example, one of my latest acquisitions, I actually purchased a $3.6 million building, 24 units in Los Angeles in my hometown because of the ATM business. Hopefully I sold you guys getting back into the business, right? Or getting into the business to start. It's an amazing industry, only gonna get bigger. And so with that being said, join the ATM community. It's free, get in there, get involved, engage with your community, and I'll see you guys on the inside.